Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutsell speaking. In this video, we are going to examine Tools feature number 11, Preferences, for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on Tools and click on Preferences, the following menu appears. As can be seen, I can select or deselect any of these options to customize my experience within Google Docs. I can also go down to this part of the menu and create my own substitutions. I could choose to have a certain phrase replaced with another phrase if I filled out this top bar. When looking at this menu, there are multiple pre-existing options already available for automatic substitution. For any changes to be saved, all I have to do is click OK. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.